March 2023 closing, 9 things to consider under GST. Reconcile the outward supply as per books with GST R1 and GST R3B. If any invoice is missing, report the same in March 2023 so that overlapping can be avoided. Reconcile the ITC available and availed as per books GST R2B and GST R3B. Check for the supplier's payment is done within 180 days or not. If not, then reverse the same and avail in the month of payment to the supplier. If you wish to opt in or out of QRMP scheme for financial year 2023-24, then you have to choose the option before the 30th of April 2023. If your turnover is below Rs 1.50 crores and wishes to opt for the composition scheme, then the same has to be done before the 31st of March 2023 by filling from GST CMP 02. If you are an exporter of goods, service and wish to export without paying IGST for financial year 2023-24, then you have to apply for LUT, that is, Letter of Undertaking. Then application for LUT for financial year 2023-24 has to be done before the 31st of March 2023. GTA service provider, who desires to pay tax under forward charge either at 5% without ITC or 12% with ITC, has to submit Annexure V before the 15th of March 2023. A invoice is mandatory from the 1st of April 2023 if turnover is above Rs 10 crore in any previous years. As per Budget 2023, Section 38 of CGST Act has been amended, which might be effective from the 1st of April 2023 and needs to be read carefully for availment of ITC.